Hello, and thank you for joining me in this virtual space. My name is Shamanique, and tonight I will be starting my locks, and I am so excited. I'm using this opportunity to vlog about my journey and just to be able to look back at this as I progress in my journey, to motivate myself to keep going and also to inspire others. So this will be kind of a long video, rambling, because all tonight is all about me and my lock journey. So today is November the 11th, 2019. I am starting my journey on 11/11. I have been really into numbers. I've been thinking about locking my hair for a very long time. I have been playing around with the lock extensions, the crochets, and I just fall in love with them. Every time I put them in my hair, I just feel so good. I feel so just like natural. I just feel so earthy, and that is what I want to be like that is who I am. So I'm ready to start my journey. So my mindset going into this, I am very afraid. Like, I'm scared because it's, I haven't really did anything to my hair before. I've always had hair on my head. I've never done any drastic cuts. This will be my first time really doing anything that is very different to my hair, and I am very excited and nervous all at the same time. Some of the reasons why I'm deciding to go on this lock journey and lock my hair, one is because I really was going to wait until the first of the year, and I was going back and forth about that because I was like, this year I stopped drinking. I'm sober, like 11 months sober. And I've also stopped eating meat. So I was vegetarian all this year. I got out of the military this year. So this year has been all about eliminating and creating a new life for myself and starting over. And I wanted to start off the first of the year with my lock journey and say, hey, you know what? First of the year, we start. But one of the things that I'm trying to embrace and change about myself is trying to set a time for things. Like, when I just want to become that person that when you think about something, you just do it. I want to embrace that, and this is one of the things of the way that I'm embracing it is like, I've been thinking about this and I'm like, it's 11/11, so freak it, like I'm about to do it right now, tonight, because I want, every time I think about my locks and my hair and I see it, I want to always remember that you don't have to wait for a certain time to do something. Like, when you want to do it, just do it. The second reason is because, like I said, this year has been all about me eliminating things out of my life that I didn't want to be a part of it anymore. And this next phase of my life is about creating the person that I want to be. I want my hair, as it evolves, to show me and to remind me that I am evolving too. So as I'm grinding hard next year in 2020, starting off a whole new decade, I want my hair to embrace that. I want my hair to be like on this new journey as well. And as it's locking and it's, having its mind of its own, I want to be doing the same thing. I just want me and my hair to just grind it out together. And I feel so powerful about that because next year is going to be grind time for me. And I don't want to wait until the first of the year to say, oh, this is my grind. I'm starting now. That's why I wanted to start today. This will officially start me going into the new decade. Another reason I am getting my financials together, and like I said, just that spending all that money on products and doing my hair and doing this and doing that, I kind of just want to just be natural, seriously natural. I really want my hair to show me that. So when I look in the mirror in the morning and I'm seeing it just form, it's going to remind me about my transformation, because I'm transforming. I decided I was gonna go get my hair done by someone, and I decided at the last minute today, no, I'm doing it myself. Because once again, it's signifying what I want my life to be about. Taking responsibility for my own actions. So I'm going to try to make my hair as perfect and imperfect as possible because I really don't know. I have done 2-strand twists in my hair, but for me to know that I am creating the base of how my locks will be for the next years to come is pretty powerful and scary at the same time. But once again, that's signifying life. You know, all the decisions that we make daily affects our life moving forward, but we make them every day, and sometimes they're not the best decisions, and we go on and we make them. So I feel like this is just the same thing. Like, I'm gonna take my time, I'm going to embrace each one that I'm twisting, and I didn't want to put that in someone else's hands to do. I've been a natural since 2009, and my hair just never really just fully got the love that it should have. And that's one of the things that I feel like I don't want to regret, but I'm kind of regretting because I never really got the chance to embrace my natural hair. I wore it natural, but I never really just, you know, got the really big natural hair. It never really grew like, I mean, you think 2009, hey, this is 10 years ago. So my hair should be like to my butt or something, and it's not. You know, my hair never really got much past like maybe here. I think it's the longest my hair ever got. And I know it's because I was in the military and I always just had to pull my hair back. I never could wear it in its natural state. I just wasn't taking care of it, and it still was doing a lot of shedding. So yesterday I washed my hair and I'm looking for this. My hair shedded so much, and I kept it. And a lot of y'all might think I'm weird, but I kept my hair because I was like, this is the last time it's about to be looking like this. But I combed my hair and all of this came out of my hair. And I was like in tears almost because I'm just like, I'm so frustrated. My hair just keep on shedding and I'm just like over it. And so I'm like, I'm about to lock my hair. I'm making this be like I'm about to take a spiritual bath. I don't have any Epsom salt, so I will be doing apple cider vinegar bath. I did a video about that in one of my other videos about some of the benefits of it and why it's a good detox bath. I'm gonna detox, soak my hair, soak my scalp in there, get out. I'm gonna take a shower, and I am going to be using the Shea Moisture shampoo, coconut and hibiscus curl and shine shampoo, and I am going to do the conditioner. Once I wash it, I am parting it. I'm gonna try to have my parts, but I'm not gonna go crazy trying to make sure it's parted, none of this hair is in there. Like, I just want the parts like to be straight going across, and then I'm going to start to twist my hair, and I'm gonna just go with the flow. And I am very, very happy to be going on this journey with you guys, and I'm hoping that when I look back at this a year from now, that I'm happy with the decisions that I'm going to make tonight. I have my candles lit, I have my incense gonna be burning, I'm gonna have me some neo soul playing, y'all. I have my tea. So this is gonna be a nice night, a very self-care type of night, because it's all about me and my hair tonight. And I am about to embrace this moment and just take my time. And yes, oh, so this is my hair right now. Hair has been stunted in its growth for a very long time. It broke off. It's not, my hair used to be a lot longer, but you can kind of see where my length is before. And I damaged my hair. I was trying to do a old school sew in, so you can see it's straight at the top. Like, all these years being natural, I damaged my hair. So I don't even know how this is gonna lock up or how it's gonna look. So I'm gonna have a lot of things that's probably gonna go on with my hair as I allow it to do its own thing. So even back here, you can see that my hair broke off. So I'm going to have some itty bitty locks, like starting off. Like this is really gonna show my growth as my hair gets longer because it's so short in the back where my hair broke off. So I am very excited to start on this journey and see what my hair does and how it forms. So tomorrow I will start on my new journey. So let's get this started. So I have been in here in my apple cider vinegar bath, just soaking and stuff, and I was just thinking I'm gonna miss my hair. You can see the straight parts. I don't know how this is gonna look. I might just end up cutting it seriously. A little bit of Jamaican castor oil. I'm gonna take a little bit of this, the last bit of this, rub it through my hair. Okay, so I just finished the back, and this is one of the things that makes me afraid because I don't know if these are too skinny and uneven. So I don't know. And I'm not using any product, so I feel like I need to cut these ends a little bit on my hair so that they can at least be a little even. I have no clue what I'm gonna do. And I think I'm making them too small. Like I'm taking about this amount of hair, and I think because my hair just have thinned some, that they just look super skinny. They don't look voluptuous. So I just got this side done, and I think that I'm doing these so small. But I'm gonna just trust this process and continue on. I am done with this side, and I'm done with this side. I'm done with the back. I have this little section left to go, and I will officially be done with my turned out to be mini twists, which they weren't really supposed to be this small. So I don't know how my locks are actually gonna turn out now, because I was expecting my twist to be a little bit fuller, a little bit bigger. But like I said, I'm just embracing it. My hands did it themselves. I don't know what they were thinking. Last one. Here we go. Oh my goodness, this is my last little twist of the night, or the morning rather. And I will be officially on my lock journey. Oh my goodness, here we go. I'm almost finished. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! That is my last twist. And I am done with my twist. That is kicking off my lock journey of 2019. So it's very, very soft because I have literally nothing in it. it can move, as you can see, and I like it. I can wear it to the side, and then I got the middle part, and then I think I can maybe do a part on this side too. So that's good. Like, I'm trying to figure out, you know, once I get these locks, you know, how it's gonna work. In the morning, I'll probably wear them down the middle, like this. I guess I can put my Rasta hat on if I wanted to, which is super cool. I still know that I'm gonna have to go through some of these things and retwist them, especially in the front, because those in the front are super straight. Yeah, we'll see what happens. But my twisties. Thank you for joining me. I am super excited about this journey, so make sure you like, subscribe, and also check out my other videos. I am on a natural living journey also, so I'm trying to learn more things about gardening and just living a better life and self-care and self-love and all of that. So if you're into that as well as the locks, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. All right, talk to you soon. Peace out. So this is officially my first day as on my lock journey. I have my lock or my twist in, so I just gotta pull back in my ponytail. And I'm loving it right now so far. But this is my first style for today. It was literally just them loose in the back and then pull back. And I think I'll probably be wearing it like this for a while, just because it's easier for me at work. We'll see how it goes. I am kind of concerned about this little area up in here because I didn't really part it good, and it's looking kind of like I might want to go back and do the front in a better parting pattern, but I wasn't supposed to go back and do it because I was like, you know, it is what it is. Like, what I do last night was how I was gonna rock with it. So we'll see.